Gagemaker develops and manufactures innovative precision mechanical inspection equipment for the oilfield, mining, water well, automotive, and general machining industries. From straight threads to tapered threads, to API and premium connections, to thread engineering software and calibration equipment, Gagemaker products are used in countless facilities around the world. Our tapered thread inspection systems take the guesswork out of inspecting threaded tubular products. Gagemaker's line of thread inspection equipment checks all required taper thread elements, including thread form, pitch diameters, lead, height, and taper, all with the precise accuracy required in today's most demanding industries. Quickly verify a correct thread form with a Gagemaker thread profile. Shine a light behind the profile to detect any steps or signs of a chipped insert. A profile that stands too far out of the threads or allows excess light to shine through can be an indication of lead error. Sweep the profile along the helix of the threads, feeling for any burrs or debris. Form provides a complete picture of many thread design aspects, including shape and pitch. 30 years ago, Gagemaker introduced the MRP 2000, forever changing the OCTG industry. Worldwide, the MRP is still the industry standard. Whether you call it ball PD, root diameter, or crest diameter, pitch diameter is a critical thread inspection element. Pitch diameter governs the strength of the actual threaded assembly. Monitoring PD with Gagemaker optimizes thread engagement, enabling the connection to perform as designed. Immediately detect the slightest variation in diameter with our precision gauges, granting you total control over your quality. These versatile gauges easily adjust to measure a range of thread diameters and forms, eliminating the costly expense of a room full of rings and plugs. Thread lead is one of the most, if not the most, important thread elements. An API-required inspection that has a direct impact on diameter and connection makeup. Lead error is most commonly generated by manual and CNC lathes not cutting properly. Lead gauges inspect both internal and external lead for a variety of thread forms, including 8-round, 10-round, buttress, and rotary shouldered connections. Inspecting thread taper is a strongly recommended practice for all tubular industries and is an API requirement in the oil field. High stresses caused by mismatched tapers contribute to connection failure. Lower stress and reduce the risk of failure by properly matching pin and box tapers using Gagemaker's accurate ET and IT gauges. In addition to lead and taper, API mandates thread height inspection for all OCTG. Proper thread height maximizes the performance of any tapered connection. Gagemaker thread height gauges measure the root to crest values on a variety of external and internal connectors. Accurate thread height contributes to the interchangeability and the integrity of the threaded assembly. Gagemaker tapered thread inspection systems are comprehensive collections of precision gauges that accurately measure all elements of threaded connections: form, pitch diameter, lead, height, and taper. It's time to minimize process error, optimize production, and assure maximum performance. Contact Gagemaker today at 713-472-7360 or gagemaker.com.